saved lives today, Sergeant.
It shouldn't have happened in the first place, sir. They sent us in half-assed. So everyone can just keep pretending we're not at war.
Yeah, like the fucking century, that is.
Why have we got our hands tied? Let's just take the bloody gloves off and fight. Sir.
Go on.
We don't stand a chance in hell with these rules of engagement, Captain. They can tell us where, they can tell us when. Don't tell us how. My men were tracking that cell for weeks.
You had actual intel on this?
Quite a bit, sir.
Okay, Garrett. You're with me.
Alcatala's claiming responsibility.
Oh, an orders from the Wolf in Kazakhstan.
Alex is on the ground there looking for the stolen chems.
Well, he'll need the Liberation Force on his side, so have him contact the CR.
You know Commander Karim?
We're acquainted. Use my name, or they'll kill him.
What is your message from Captain Price?
Commander Karim. Call me Alex.
I'm listening, Alex.
This is classified.
يلا ولد دامي جهزوا لي هالكم.
"48 hours ago, terrorists stole a shipment of Russian gas.
Only Alcatala would do this.
The Russians make no distinction between Alcatala and your people.
And I make no distinction between Alcatala and the Russian army. They're both terrorists. We would never use these poisons.
Then help us track it before they...
Before they what? Take it to Europe? Or America? We live like this every day.
Commander, it's time to go. Who is this?
Alex, this is my brother and Lieutenant Hadir.
You are CIA?
He works with Captain Price.
Then you kill Russians, yes?
I have friends who can help us. But your sister decides what's next.
Of course. My sister is in command. And the Russian army is still here.
This occupation must end. That we can all agree on, yes? General Barkov's men control the city. We have plans to change that.
We have no missiles, but we have our ways.
If you stay, we can help you. But if you stay, you fight.
Yelanato.
Marhaba Ali, Kazakhstan, Alex.
Follow me. These tunnels are our lifeline. We have intel Russian troop commanders are in town today. We're going to ambush them.
How?
Explosives.
That'll get their attention.
And pull security away from the Russian base, leaving it open to an attack.
We must hold nothing back.
Too far on that path, and we lose ourselves. Get set for the airbase attack.
Be safe. Alex, take these charges. C4 with remote detonator.
Thanks.
Watch my sister. Good luck.
You too.
أهلا طارق.
Hamsara. Yalla. Merki.
زلمة كفو. Here, Alex. Put this on.
How do I look?
It'll do. Tarek, what's the report?
Russians are just outside. If they see your weapons, they will shoot.
That happens. Our plan fails before it starts. Alex, our guns give us away. Keep it hidden. Follow me.
За тебя еды сегодня не будет!
Barkov's forces occupy the entire city. They separate our men and women. They will be very strict. Their officers are coming.
Did Barkov show up?
Almost never. He hides while others do his dirty work.
What kind of dirty work?
Punishment. for fighting
Men
back.
on the work line! Women to the trucks!
In spite of my generosity and protection, there are forces in Uzbekistan who refuse to learn the lesson of safety and bring them peace
I'm through.
and prosperity.
Go left, down the alley. See that soldier?
А ну стой!
Take him.
Get over here! Now!
كريم ديري بالك أخاف اكتك. You're resourceful. Good.
Let's go. I have contacts posted just ahead. They'll have more explosives for us. A bigger blast will pull more forces away from the Russian base. Shit. Barkov's soldiers have found my contacts. They may be dead already.
Can't go loud. Need a suppressor.
Find an oil filter. It will silence your weapon.
Барков нас предупреждал.
Check civilian cars. I'll keep watch on the guards.
Insurgents continue to launch
This one's empty.
senseless attacks in the name
Keep
of
searching.
so-called freedom. These homegrown terrorists are the cancer in this great country.
That'll do it.
Good. Head back and flank right.
Когда водил его от дома к дому. Мы за неделю
Go around the truck. Right side.
Просил взять кого-то живым.
You get two. I'll
Нафига?
take the rest.
Какого черта?
Clear. Stay low. Hold up. Stay away from the door.
Осторожно, могут быть растяжки.
Do you have a shot?
Yep.
Take two. I'll take the other.
Now go check the bathroom.
Clear.
This way.
Sorry about your contacts.
We have the explosives. Your sacrifice will not be in vain. Hide the gun. We're going back outside.
Follow me. I'll lead.
To defy General Barkov, you'll be made an example of.
What is it?
Please, she's just scared.
Stand down. I know what you mean. Do you understand why we do this? They hang because they killed our soldiers. Now look at them.
Let's get moving.
We can live peacefully.
This is a goddamn
And only
war
if we
crime.
help each other.
Punishment for the stolen gas.
It is the terrorists
Barkov
who
blames
caused
us
this
for
pain
stealing it.
for all
What can
of
we
us.
do?
Unite
Accomplish our mission
causes.
and put an end to
Expose
Barkov's
these
cruelty
terrorists,
forever.
And you will be rewarded.
Through here. Up the ladder. Barkov is sending in helicopters. We take them out. Forces from the base will come running.
Giving us a window to attack.
Send explosives on the helicopter. I'll cover you. Guards get in your way. Take them out. Quietly. Meet back here when you're through.
There can be no order and no peace until those who side with these savages are permanently eliminated. I am a fair captain and a man of swift justice. There is no judge or jury here. There is only crime and punishment. One by one, we will eliminate action
Two down.
from our
Nice.
and create a safe place to work and prosper under my command. This revolt brings war to the peace-loving citizens of Uzbekistan. These freedom fighters and their collaborators
I'm at the target.
threaten the safety
You
and
know what to do.
Security of those who follow the rules. Today, they will be punished.
Charge set. This'll make one hell of a distraction.
Those who believe
That's the
that
plan.
my forces
Now get to the other helicopter.
by these terror tactics and secret plans have made a grave miscalculation.
Stop. Use the stairs. There's a guard. Top of the stairs, left side.
Good eye.
I will never be pushed out.
Charges set.
By an army of thieves.
Regroup on my position.
We will root out these interventionists and hold this territory forever. There will be no victory for our enemy.
We're clear.
Only
It's time.
death. Russia
Blow
is
it.
here to defend your lives.
Fire in the hole.
Fucking beautiful, Alex. Well done. Now,
Wait. Take the left. Hold your fire. Look, it worked. Troops from the base are rushing into the fence. Okay, the tractor and defender. Take them out next. Come, under the truck. More are coming. Follow close. A parting gift for when they return.
How generous of you.
A shame to miss the show, but we have to get on with our attack before it's too late. The next street will lead us back to the tunnel under Tarek's.
shit!
Holy shit!
Window!
Vara, what the hell is this?
Alex, get down.
Don't move. Keep your head still. Hold. Now, move up.
Уволь. Вот почему мы сжигаем это место. Может, хоть в этот раз на них дойдет.
Должно быть Карим.
To the left too. Good work. To the tunnel, quickly. More may be coming. Look! Reinforcements from the airbase. Our plan is working. Stop. Shit. Tarek's door is open.
Where's Tarek?
Dead. He would never abandon his post. Let's go. Clear. Let's head down. Get to Hadir.
You lost good people today.
That is the cost of this war. Now let's take Barkov's airbase, so their deaths are not in vain.
We're in for a hell of a fight.
So are they. Hadir has a plan.